Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the central locking to only affect the driver's side on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can choose to have the key only lock and unlock the driver's side, or lock and unlock all of the doors. This setting could be helpful if you never have any passengers and would prefer all the doors but the driver's door to stay locked. Tap the car button to the right of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Scroll down the settings and tap Opening and Closing. Under the Central Locking heading, tap Door Unlocking. You can then choose between all driver and vehicle side. You can see which option you have chosen to the right of door unlocking. And that was an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.